Hello, introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, and hopefully it's useful to someone on here. So the problem going to be attempted today is 1704, determine if string halves are alike. So just going to read through the spec here. You're given a string called s of even length. Split the string into two halves of equal lengths. Let A be the first half and B be the second half. The two strings are alike if they have the same amount of vowels. Notice that S contains uppercase and lowercase letters, so it could be an uppercase vowel or a lowercase vowel. Return true if A and B are alike, otherwise return false. So S is equal to book, so output is true. That's because BO is the first half and OK is the other half. They both have the same amount of vowels, therefore they are alike. So, constraints, the length is between 2 and 1000, the length of S is even, and it only contains uppercase and lowercase letters. So, just going to switch over to my notes here. Off the top of my head, the first thing you're going to have to do is split into two halves, A and B. And then loop over each and count the amount of vowels. Then in both A and B, if the amount is the same, return true, otherwise return false. So I'm gonna attempt this here just based on what I've written down. So we got A, we got B. So A is going to be equal to, we're going to go slice from S dot, or the length of S divided by 2 to the end, and then this is going to be from 0 up until the length of S divided by 2. So let's print A and print B. Slice integers must be indices must be integers. These are integers. Now we need to do floor division. I shouldn't need to because it is even. Okay, so we have got the two halves correct. We've got book and text. So for element for letter in A, if letter in, and then we'll do, we can just copy paste this. If it is in this, then we're going to do A underscore vowels incremented by 1, and then we're going to do the same thing for B. And then down here we're going to do if this is equal to this, we're going to return true, else we're going to return and that should be us. And that's because we didn't define it up here. So if we hit run again, both get accepted, gonna hit submit, and accepted. So thank you very much for watching the video, hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know. If you had any other sort of solution to this, please let me know. Love discussing these problems. And yeah, thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.